Let's see. Click ni Daddy. Have you noticed Ezekiel's hand? Jer?
No.
He will do like this.
Oh, hand. Yeah, face it.
Hand.
Ready? Go, catch it. Don't film me. Hey, don't go to me. Ready? Watch the ball. Watching?
Ezekiel, you're being silly.
No, to Daddy, to Daddy.
Hey.
I'm before Dad.
Yes. You ready?
Down.
Get try to catch it out of the air.
Catch it. Ezekiel, I'm gonna go. Oh, you got it. Hey!
Hey!
Ball is gone. Yes.
Okay. Let's go. The fun is gone. You never try. Down. And then make it fire. Really sharp.
Hey, what you doing, silly boy? Ezekiel got it.
Yes.
Look, Matthias. Oi! Oi! Ball is right there. Oh boy, go get it. Go get it, Ezekiel. Go get it. Yay! Throw to Daddy. Throw ka, Mama.
Mom, I want a monkey. I want butterfly.
Butterfly? Butterfly? What butterfly you saying?
Eden, catch.
Why?
It's too far. Ezekiel. Dad, you get the mail, lab? Oh, Daddy will get it. Here, let me catch it. Woo, go get it, go get it. Daddy get the mail, love. Where you going? Come on. What's that? Trash, trash, trash. Lab, we need to put the tent, Lab.
Yeah, I know.
See daw? Huh?
Go eat.
You think it's finished?
It is finished.
See the meal.
Before it came over here.
Here. That's only butterfly. Ezekiel, off the road, please. Meow, 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 mama, meow, mama, meow, meow, meow. Howie, Howie. So that's all, guys. Mag-eat na may. Thank you, Jessica, my pretty sister-in-law, like Dali. She made this delicious enchilada. So we're ready to eat, guys. Let's eat. It's dinner time. Matthias, go say what you say.
Auntie, thank you for the food.
And is it delicious?
Is it delicious?
Delicious, yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Go eat more. Eat more because you say delicious.
Is it hot?
Spicy.
Hot.
So here's the
Rubber band.
old-fashioned Gumball machine.
This is a
So this is, by the
band.
way, this is our second.
Hey.
Hey! This is our candy. Because our first, like this, guys, is when Daddy shake it off to get all the coins in the bottom. It's broken. It's new, huh? So here it is. So love, where we put the candies to get. So yan na po siya. Ganyan pala siya. To save siya, oh.
Rubber band.
Ganyan siya, guys. Oh.
Oh.
Rubber band. Go open it. Be careful. Just remember last time? It's broken. Oh, good job, Matthias. For the Gumball machine. Go, hold the mama. Hold the mama, video si mama.
Oh.
Here we go. You see mommy? Hoy, see ni mommy?
Yeah.
Sure? You never know. Oh, the bolt. Right here.
No.
Hey. Look at the monster.
This time, no shaking of the thing.
You're the one who shake it, silly.
I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, 'cause this is the second time, guys. We return the other one because when Daddy shake it, because this is where the coins, guys, because you put the coins in here.
The
Any
glass
coins.
is super thin.
Yeah, this glass is super thin. Better be careful. And then, even at quarter, you love, unlike the Gumball machine in thrift store. This one, any coin.
1, 2.
Then put the coins in here. Right here, guys. You just put like that.
Matthias, go get a coin and you get one out of this machine.
Yeah, let's try. Let's show it for you guys. Then, this is the one, guys. First. Oh, wow. Nabuak siya, guys. Mag-tape ni Daddy. Wait, Matthias.
Oh.
You're not very cool.
He got 3 in that one.
Wow.
Good.
Now I have 3. 1
Just
red.
put one. Go try. I will get some, guys, ha. I will get like a coin. Can you get a small coin? So, mommy will try. Small coin.
Where's the
So, this is
Screw.
11.
Where's the
So,
screw?
right here. Ezekiel, you wait. Here, give me a small coin.
Ezekiel, you have like 5
I
in your
know.
mouth.
Matthias. Here. Even the small one. Even the other. Yeah. This one, guys, would work. As long as a coin.
Where did those come?
So, here we go. So, put lang na siya, guys. Tapos, like that na siya. Butang. Tapos, pwede ninyo i-reuse ang coins. Mura lang nagbangko sa mga bata. Mari na siya, guys.
Let's color it.
Yay!
Ezekiel, you have
Ezekiel.
enough. You had several.
Yeah, put that up, not love, because you've been crazy. You happy? What happened?
No.
You have in your mouth. Bye-bye. Buwari siya, guys, oh. Kini siya, tape ni siya. Kitipan na ni Daddy kasi na-shatter man ang glass. Nipis kayo, guys, maong. Og kamo magpalit mo ani, be careful mo kay nipis lang ang glass. So needs na siya i-return.
There's a bunch of glass in there.
No. It's very nice kung sa Amazon lang paliton. Guys, kadali lang siya ma-return ba.
Hey, stop. That's not
Put it here.
funny.
Because that's for return.
Return.
Return. Mm-hmm.
Return.
So, wala na advantage sa Amazon. Og naamoy mga items na depekto, unya, or dili ninyo mga yan, pwede ninyo mabalik dayon. Dali lang sila mag-refund.
Cut. Run. Cut, run.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.